Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open Excel sheet in computer. Let's get started. At first, you open your computer, then go to the start button. Then you can search this Microsoft Excel. Click the search button, then search Microsoft Excel. Then click this software and wait some moment to open this. Now we select the blank worksheet option. Now we can see we open the Excel worksheet on my PC very easily. You can write anything, otherwise make any formula. You can insert the sheet, otherwise delete this sheet. Now we can see we open our Excel sheet on my computer easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.